activity, one tree at a time.
I want you to stay.
NSTP student ko, of course, kabalo ko may butok sa kumot.
NSTP student ko, so magtanong jud ta because we love nature.
I am an NSTP student. Of course, ka-care ko sa palibot.
NSTP student ko, of course we plant trees in order to help our Mother Earth.
I am an NSTP student, of course, dili ko arte.
This activity is more than just planting. It's about preserving our environment or fostering sustainable habits.
Did you know trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which helps improve the air we breathe?
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave.
Trees also support water conservation. Their roots absorb water, which keeps the soil healthy and reducing the risk of flood.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave.
With more trees, we can prevent the loss of species and keep the ecosystems balanced. So it is important to plant more trees.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away.
We commit, we serve in the NSTP.
I want you to stay. Till I'm in the grave. Till I rot away. Dead and buried. Till I'm in the casket you carry. If you go, I'm going too. 'Cause
Hey guys, nami kasisang, nami tree planting. Mag-unsa ta sa tree planting?
Magtanog.
don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die.
We are NSTP student.
Of course, we love tree planting!
I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would keep the compliments I throw you, but you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you say yes, and I'm polluted. Say you wanna quit, don't be stupid. I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be long, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. Just till the day that I die. Till the light in my eyes. Till the day I die.
Thank you for watching and let's get planting!